Okay, which number? 607? I bet. Oh wait, I forgot to turn them all on. DSP didn't go off? Wow. So is you, bro.
Thunderstorm watch number 607, effective until 8 p.m.
Okay, that actually took a while. Let's go.
The following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey:
All right.
Bergen, Essex,
Let's go.
Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties:
I made it
New York,
too.
Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound.
Okay, let's go.
Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, and New York Harbor.
And New York Harbor? Wow.
Thunderstorm watch means definitions are favorable for the development watch area, including large hail and damage on the internet. And those in the later statements and possible warnings in weather conditions. Stay tuned for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned for more weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources. New Jersey.
Okay, let's go.
Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Union, and Warren, and the following counties. Orange and Rockland, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.
All right.
Tonight, showers and thunderstorms.